So as landscape photographers, we love to travel the world. And one of our favourite places to shoot is here on the Gold Coast.
We're here today at Surfers Paradise and we've got this beautiful cityscape behind us.
Conditions are quite moody today. We've got a little bit of overcast, low cloud and a little bit of high cloud as well. We don't have as much light to work with at the moment, but due to it being a little bit moody and overcast, we're going to go for some nice long exposures to create some drama.
We've also got that beautiful reflection that you can see happening there.
I think a really important thing when you're doing photography is to take your time. When you go to locations, it's nice to stand there and look what the light's doing, be patient with the light as well. Sometimes the best light can happen straight after sunset, it can happen just before. I tend to sit around and I'll keep shooting even into blue hour just to see what can happen. Sometimes you get those really rich, deeper colours and they can occur often, 15 to 20 minutes after sunset.
And today I'm taking the circular polarizer off because in this shot we've got this beautiful reflection and creatively we don't want to actually remove that in the image, so we want to take that polarizer off.
So at the moment I'm using the medium grad filter from NiSi, and the way that these filters work, for those who don't understand, the filter is designed to actually balance the exposure of the overexposed sky with the foreground. So you get an even amount of light in both the top and the bottom of the actual frame. As you can see on the back of the LCD screen, as we bring that graduated filter down, it starts to balance that part of the sky here that's overexposed with the foreground so that they match each other and the reflection is going to look 10 times better.
So I hope those tips were helpful.
Yeah, I think we got a pretty good shot this afternoon. I mean, it was challenging, but we got there in the end.
And you guys can find us on Facebook or Instagram, we're DK Photography.
See you next time, guys. Thank you.